Okay, we're heading to Wyoming.
Bye, Mom!
Off and away. Another trip, another adventure. Look at all those caterpillars, Ari. Was this a Boy Scout camp or something?
Someone's house.
Cabin that anybody could use.
Was this?
Now we got Grandpa in there searching for a branch to make whistles out of.
We found some baby moose behind Paula's house.
I used to climb up here, and then we used to climb across all these rafters up top.
I want to do that!
Yeah, but if you fall, that's a pretty big fall. See those big saws right there? Comes the old lumberjack himself, the master of the mill.
I don't get up quite as quickly. Well, actually, I'll get up at 4:30 if I have to go to the bathroom. Get going. Here's the tractor ride.
Yeah, we're getting higher.
Wow, you guys are building a fort here.
We're gonna put tarps over it.
That sounds cool. Man, it's warm in here. Who's down here? Yeah, it's kind of bright in here. Who do we got over here? All right.
Girls are braver than